Hello and welcome, Victor here from Automotive Crewe, today presenting this BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe 435d M Sport finished in white. It's powered by a 3-liter diesel engine producing impressive 313 PS paired with smooth automatic transmission, delivering strong performance, and it also benefits from an extensive list of optional features that enhance comfort, technology and driving enjoyment. At the front, the car gives a purposeful stance with sculpted bumpers, LED headlights and BMW's signature kidney grille, and it sits on 18-inch alloys. At the rear, LED taillights with distinctive 3D L-shaped design give the car a modern look, and the boot offers large and practical load area, made even more versatile by a wide-opening tailgate. Split folding rear seats allow you to extend the space easily, making it ideal for luggage shopping or longer items. Inside, in the rear, passengers benefit from comfortable seating and center armrest with integrated cup holders, ISOFIX mounting points and extra flexibility for family use. Up front, the cabin is very premium and driver-focused, featuring electric front seats with memory and Dakota leather black upholstery, and as well as brushed aluminium interior trim. The seats are heated as well, and the comfort package adds extra refinement. The M Sport multifunction leather steering wheel includes heating for added comfort, while the digital display and sport instrument cluster provide clear access to driving information. The vehicle is equipped with 2-zone automatic climate control, and the infotainment system gives you access to BMW professional radio with DAB and media playback, as well as communication and connectivity options with Bluetooth connectivity and connected drive services. The system also features integrated BMW navigation with real-time traffic information, as well as My Vehicle menu, with access to vehicle status, plenty of settings and driver profiles. You can dive into further options such as sport displays for performance and driving data at a glance, and driver will also benefit from the clear feedback from parking sensors and the reversing camera. Thank you for watching. This was a presentation of the used BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe 435d M Sport. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.